So hello, welcome to a new video format here on the Tradeciety YouTube channel. I hope you like my new little setup here. And today I want to talk about a topic which I have recently discovered in one of the Tim Ferriss podcasts, where he talked about depression and a concept of getting back to baseline. Of course, neither Tim Ferriss nor I, we are professional doctors, so take what is worth it. But when we relate this topic to the context of trading, then we can learn a lot about ourselves, our performance, and how to improve as traders, and also what to focus on. So when psychologists or psychiatrists, when they work with people that come to them and say, I'm depressed, I'm naturally unhappy, I have lack of energy, and I don't feel well, then a few questions have to be answered first. When the psychologist asks them, how do you sleep? Do you sleep enough? Do you eat well or do you eat junk food? Do you have meaningful social relationships? Do you do sports? Are you healthy or are you active? Or do you just sit around and have a sedentary lifestyle? Do you have any hobbies? Do you have anything besides work that you like to do? Or do you like actually your work? And if the person denies those things or answers them in a way that makes it obvious that probably he is not depressed and he's not in a naturally unhappy state and he's not naturally lacking energy and motivation, but it becomes clear that the person has made unhealthy life choices where his life choices cost him energy and put him in a bad state of mind and rob him of all the energy. You would not expect that somebody who eats bad, does not do sports, sleeps late, does not sleep enough, and does not enjoy his work, does not have any meaningful social relationships, you would not expect that he generally feels happy during the day. So first of all, you need to get back to baseline to really understand who you naturally are. So eat better, get better contacts, sleep more, exercise a little bit, go away from social media and all the gossiping mindset and have meaningful interactions with other people, and then you will see who you are naturally in a more baseline state of mind. When we compare this to trading, or when we relate this topic to trading, then many traders will say they have a bad losing system, their strategy is not working, but is this really their baseline level? And when we ask those traders, do you follow your rules? Let's start first, do you have rules? Do you often break your rules? Do you mismanage your trades? Do you revenge trade? Do you take too much risk? Is your risk management all over the place? Do you always change your indicator? Do you jump from time frame to time frame? And if the trader then says, yes, I'm guilty of all of those things, then probably it's not the system to blame, but it's the trader himself who's making the bad decisions. So this is not the baseline of the trading strategy. That is the trading strategy managed very, very poorly. But if the trader follows the system, adheres to the rules, uses good risk management, follows his trading plans and right trading plans in the first place, and then he can understand the trading performance in a much, much better way. He will see, is the system really performing poorly, or were my past previous bad results just a cause of or the result of my bad trading performance and my bad trading habits. So you can see how the trading system cannot be judged if the trader is not adhering to the system. That is a very, very important point. It's also one of the main points when you analyze yourself in a drawdown or in a losing streak. Many traders will come to me and say, I'm in a losing streak, how to get out? And then I often, when I look at their trades and I ask them and talk to them, it really becomes obvious that they're not really in a losing streak, but they are just experiencing the results of poorly executed trades. A losing streak should be classified as a series of losing trades where you really 100% followed rules, adhere to the system and did everything completely, and the trade was just not working out. Then what do? Then you can look for other things. What is the market doing? Has the market changed? Do I need to adapt with my system? But more often than not, you will see that the trader is not actually in a losing streak, but the trader's not adhering to the rules and he's completely breaking the rules and doing something that is not in line with the system. So getting back to baseline is a very interesting concept that you can not only apply to trading, but in many other areas in your life. Always ask yourself, am I approaching the thing in an optimal way, or is there room for improvement? And then you will have a much better understanding of how to judge your results and also how to get better. So let me know how you like this video, how you like this new little setup with the new camera. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.